Thunderstorm warning for south central Morgan County in north central Georgia, Putnam County in central Georgia, eastern Jasper County in central Georgia, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over E-Tenton, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include E-Tenton, Madison, Shady Dale, Phoenix, Rock Eagle 4-H Center, Central Georgia Experiment Station, Harmony, Godfrey, Stanfordville, Warfield, and Willard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 4 p.m.